Hi everybody, today I'm going to open up two My Little Ponies prize bags, and this I got from my Dollrama. So let's get, and I got her. She's my favorite one that I actually got. I'm going to see which one I got in this one. Where's card? And here's which one I got. I don't know her name. And all of them come with this card, so you know her name. And here is, she came with a card too, but I didn't want to do the card. And this pony I got. Let's see what I got in the next one. Oh, this is a different one. I got this one. And it comes with a card. See? These two I got. They both have curly hair. With two cards. Because I have one. Next, I have this big one that I need to open up. So, here's what I got. I have a blow dryer. And I got a purse. Got a curler. And a brush. A clip. But a clip and it's a music note. Spray. Scissors. I got these that I don't know what they're called. And I got a clip. And I got a mirror and a brush. All these things that I got is from Dollrama. And this is a brush. So when you're combing your hair, when you're straightening your hair, you still need a straightener. And these three ponies I got from Dollrama. Bye!